and I have a long-time fan of Polina. I just so respect the Russian musical tradition because, and I know as a piano teacher how wonderful you train your pianists. I think it's better for the voice. If you smile, the sound is better. And, getting all caught up and tormented about it doesn't help it. So, yeah.
But you don't speak Russian, right?
I don't. I wish I did.
So, if I will ask you what difficult for you?
Consonants. An endless flow of consonants. It's not, it's challenging. But it's a challenge, and I like the challenge. I like being with a mixed choir. We have Russian singers, and I'm picking up, I hope, a little bit.
Okay, let's sing the first phrase again. La 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 la. And don't count. Let's just move together at the same time, okay? Together in unison. Let's go. We're holding it well. D. Let's go. La, la,
Hi, my name's Alexej. I'm part of the London Russian Choir. As my work, I'm a civil servant, so I work for the government, the Department for Environment. I have been to Russia many times. At university I studied Russian, so I've lived in Russia for many years, Moscow, St. Petersburg, Irkutsk, Baikal. I've travelled to Vladivostok, Khabarovsk, and North Baikal. Couldn't find a job using Russian and really missed speaking Russian culture, and I saw there was a London Russian choir, which I thought was incredible. So it's my only chance to really sort of engage with Russian, what I studied and what I enjoyed.
Что вы любите в музыке русской?
В музыке русской, наверное, я часто слушаю любые и разные группы, наверное. Чай, машина времени, кино. Я очень люблю народные песни, поэтому я здесь. Every song is so deep and rich. It sounds quite, almost cheesy, but whenever I sing a song, I can picture the Russian steppe. We sing a song, "Ach, ty steppe широкая," which is my favourite song, and you can picture the eagle soaring and the Cossack, and it's just a real wholesome, incredible song. Really, really, yeah, rich.
Ой, рана, на, Ивана. Together? Ой, рана, на, Ивана. Okay, now with the tune together in unison. Ой, мала, ой, рана, Ивана. Ой, рана, Ивана. That's all you're singing here, so you have less text, which can be a good thing. Shall we try it with text, the whole thing? Ideally, it would be good to sing the whole of the second phrase as one. На купалу ночка мала, on one breath, if you can, and then change it if you need. So the whole verse. Ой, ой, рана, Ивана. Ой, рана, Ивана. На купалу ночка мала, ой, рана, Ивана.
live in London. My father's family, they came from Russia. They left Russia in 1920. I got a job. I met Polina, and she invited me for the group. I loved it. I don't speak Russian because my father left Russia when he was a boy. He decided to learn Portuguese and stay there all his life. I love the Russian music.